So the next questions I've seen on some of the NJAS exams and other grade 3 exams are pretty interesting. And they really challenge the concept of understanding trees. So I've drawn a tree here, and it's really a good example because this actually happens in real life. And it's one where we just need to understand how the tree works. So I'll read the question, I'll describe it a little bit, and then we'll go through some examples. So this one's entitled School Schedules. The school uses this contact tree to contact teachers of changes in the school schedules. So let's say we're starting late tomorrow. A teacher will contact another teacher, and that teacher will then continue to contact the rest of the teacher. In this example, John will call Jennifer, Diane, and Tony. All of these teachers contact, call, or email the person below them in the tree until everyone is notified. It's a very simple concept. It's very useful, and it's actually done today. So let's go and jump into some questions about this tree. So the question is, who will Jennifer call? So if we remember this tree, we know that John calls Jennifer, Diane, and Tony, and Jennifer then goes on and calls Carmen. Jennifer does not call Amber, she only calls Carmen, and Carmen's expected to call Amber. So who will Jennifer contact? Well, Jennifer will contact Carmen. Let's move on to the next question. Who will Tony call? Okay, so Tony's over here, and we see that under Tony in this tree is Lily. Okay, and so we see that Lily is called. Now, I put in another question, which is an interesting one. But let's say, who will not be contacted if Diane goes on vacation? So the idea here is, let's say John emails Jennifer, Diane, and Tony, and doesn't realize that Diane's actually in Bermuda having a good time, having a vacation. So, in this case, who will not be contacted if Diane goes on vacation? Well, let's see. Well, actually, two people will not be contacted. Diane will not contact Stephen, and therefore, Stephen will not be able to contact Sue. So, Diane's vacation, Stephen and Sue now don't know when school starts the next day. So with that being said, there's a lot of different questions we can ask with this tree. One of the questions, and the opposite question you may get is, who, for instance, who contacted Amber? And if you look at the tree, you will say, oh, okay, if I look at Amber, I will now have to see who contacted her will be someone like Carmen. So thank you and good luck.